So you're ready to start investing, but there's a catch. You've only got $100 to work with. It might not seem like much, but don't let that discourage you. Many successful investors started with small amounts, and they built their wealth over time through smart decisions and consistent effort. And guess what? That's actually enough to get started. You'd be surprised at how far a small amount can go. With the right strategy and mindset, your initial investment can grow significantly. The key is to start now and stay committed. You don't need thousands to begin. Even the smallest investment can grow over time. Think of it as planting a seed. With proper care and attention, that seed can grow into a mighty tree. The same principle applies to your money. Let's dive in and make that first $100 the start of something much bigger. It's all about taking that first step. The journey might seem daunting, but every great journey begins with a single step. And today, you're taking that step. First off, remember, investing isn't a get-rich-quick game. Patience is key. It's about making informed decisions and understanding that the market has its ups and downs. But over time, the trend is generally upward. It's all about growing your wealth over time. Consistency and patience will pay off. Think of it as a marathon, not a sprint. The more consistent you are with your investments, the more you'll benefit in the long run. If you keep that in mind, you're already ahead of most new investors. Many people overlook the importance of time. They want quick returns and get discouraged when they don't see immediate results. But those who understand the value of time and patience are the ones who truly succeed. The goal here isn't just to see quick results with your $100. It's about long-term growth. You're building a foundation for your financial future. Each dollar you invest today is a step towards financial independence. Instead, you're building a foundation that you can keep adding to as you go. Every little bit counts. Think of it as building a house. Each brick you lay down strengthens the structure. Over time, you'll have a solid and sturdy home. Imagine this, $100 today, maybe $100 next month, and so on. It all adds up. Consistency is your best friend in the world of investing. Regular contributions, no matter how small, can lead to significant growth over time. Eventually, you'll start to see that snowball effect kick in, where even small amounts build up into something more substantial. The journey of 1,000 miles begins with a single step, and with each step you take, you're getting closer to your financial goals. So let's get started and make that first $100 work for you. The future is bright, and it all starts with this small but significant step. All right, let's talk about where to start. The first step is choosing a platform. There are a lot of options out there, but it's smart to go with ones that are user-friendly and have low or even no fees. Some popular choices include Robinhood, Webull, or M1 Finance. These apps let you buy fractional shares, which is perfect when you're working with a small amount. A lot of these platforms also offer zero commission trading. That's a huge plus because every dollar counts. With zero commission trading, you're not paying every time you buy or sell, so your $100 stays invested, working for you instead of getting chipped away by fees. Now, before we jump into where to put that money, let's look at a quick tip. Some platforms also offer automatic investing. What does that mean? It means you can set up a recurring investment. So if you want to add, say, $10 or $20 each month, it does it automatically. Just imagine, in a few months, that $100 could become $200, $300, or even $400 without any extra effort. All right, now for the fun part, actually putting that money to work. Investing is not just about making money, it's about growing your wealth and securing your financial future. With $100, you've got a few good options. Think of it as planting a seed that, with time and care, can grow into a mighty tree. One of the easiest choices is index funds or ETFs. They offer a simple way to diversify your investments without needing to pick individual stocks. For example, an S&P 500 ETF lets you invest in the top 500 companies in the US, capturing the growth of the market as a whole. Look for ETFs with low fees. Over time, even small differences in fees can add up to significant amounts. If you're feeling adventurous, individual stocks might be your thing. This option allows you to pick and choose specific companies to invest in. Fractional shares allow you to buy a portion of a share, making high-priced stocks accessible. Another option is REITs, which stands for Real Estate Investment Trusts. They allow you to invest in real estate without needing to buy property. REITs often pay dividends, providing a steady source of income. So there you have it, a few solid options to get you started on your investment journey. Start early, stay consistent, and watch your investments grow. Thank you for joining us on this exploration of investment options. Happy investing! Until next time, keep learning, keep growing, and keep investing in your future. Whatever you pick, make sure you're spreading your investments out. Don't put all your eggs in one basket. With $100, it's a good idea to diversify. Maybe put $50 in an ETF for some broad market exposure, $25 in a tech stock you're excited about, and $25 in a REIT. This way, you're testing out different parts of the market. And remember, this is just the beginning. Your first $100 is like a seed. As you add to it, you're building up a portfolio that can handle different markets and take advantage of growth in various areas. Now let's talk about one of the most powerful tools in investing, compound interest. Think of it as interest on your interest. Over time, any returns you make on your $100 will start earning returns of their own. The longer you leave that money invested, the bigger it grows. Even with a small starting amount, compound interest can help you grow wealth in the long run. So be patient and try not to dip into your investments just because you see a little growth. The goal is to let your money grow over time, ideally untouched. Successful investors are consistent. It's not about one big investment, but regular smaller ones over time. This smooths out market highs and lows. Keep adding to your investments, even small amounts. Think of it like planting seeds in a garden. This habit grows your portfolio bit by bit, creating a snowball effect. Avoid trying to time the market. Focus on the long term. Buy and hold. Let your investments grow with the market over time. Set up automatic deposits to stay disciplined. This helps you build your portfolio steadily. You'll be pleasantly surprised by your progress over time, thanks to consistency and patience. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to investing with just $100. Choose a platform, spread out your investments, and keep growing your portfolio whenever you can. Remember, we discussed the importance of diversification, starting with low-cost index funds and the power of compound interest. Investing is a journey, and today, you've taken the first step. If this was helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing for more tips like these. Keep learning, stay patient, and your efforts will pay off. Happy investing!